Yo, me and Bo Bandy here. We're gonna put an egg in the microwave.
This is such a bad idea.
Do not do this at home, cause like you could get grounded or. So there's the egg in the microwave. Put it in there for a minute and 30 seconds. Okay.
Dude, that thing was gonna blow up.
So the egg's bouncing around. The egg doesn't know what the fuck's going on. There it goes. You can see it there. It's been about 15 seconds.
Show me your liquor ball sandwich.
Holy fuck, it's hot. Been about 30 seconds in there. That egg is still going around.
Just standing away the fuck.
It's been about 40 seconds.
Cam, you gotta be careful with that. If you take it out,
Oh yeah.
your hands. So just let it.
I
fucking
feel
cool
like
down
it's gonna
and
be
then-
like a boiled egg after. Imagine. Let's have like a boiled egg.
We'll come back to it after like.
We're gonna come back. Oh my god, wait. 20 seconds left.
Oh,
Okay.
dude, something in my belly just don't. feel
10
right.
seconds. 10 seconds, Randy. 10.
That's why you don't do that. Stop it.
2, 1. Let's
Let's check.
see the final result.
Smells like egg. Holy fuck. That's yours to clean up, bro.
Here's dinner.
Dude. Oh, you ate it.
It's very good. Very, very good. I'm gonna grab the egg out of there. Try some of that, Randy. I know, it's
fuck.
fucking. It's fucking.
This fucking shell.
Alright, we'll clean that later. If you put a soft egg.
Dude, you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna start to reek like fucking sulfur in here now.
Oh no. Alright, that was the video, so
Yeah.
here's the result. As
Thank
you guys
you
can
all
see.
for watching. Have a nice day.